Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Egypt withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on it, you're going to see a new screen where you have to click on the 3-point option. So right here on my 3-point option, I just have to click on the cash out option and click on the option called withdraw. Select the currency type that I want to withdraw. So I just have to click on the Egypt withdraw, EGP, that's the Egypt withdraw. Then the payment method, I just have to click on the select option and click on the percent fee. So now I can now type my account number, confirm the same account number and my name, and automatically the withdraw option will pop out where I can complete my transaction. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.